At Kryolan, we make makeup, but not like anybody else, due to our founder, Arnold Lange. As a young man, Arnold was a committed chemistry student, heavily influenced by the glitz and glamour of 1920s Berlin. Inspired by the city's artistic expression, he combined his passion for theatre and science to create a revolutionary new makeup, purely for professionals. Thanks to Arnold's revolutionary approach to makeup manufacturing, our beginnings are rich in scientific discovery. A strength that continues to allow us to develop and create new and innovative makeup formulas, and through pioneering technical breakthroughs, deliver an unprecedented array of colours and textures never seen before on stage or on screen. We've always done things our own way, on our own terms, within our own family. Which is why, 65 years on, we remain independent and run by 3 generations of the Lange family, so that our makeup meets our extraordinary high standards, and not the industry's levels of mediocrity. Because unlike other professional makeup manufacturers, we listen to what the professional industry wants. We apply it. We formulate it in our own labs. We use our own cutting-edge scientific formulas and recipes. We manufacture it in our own production facilities, and we love it into existence. Because at Kryolan, makeup is a way of life. Because at Kryolan, makeup is a part of who we are. Because at Kryolan, makeup is a science. Science lies at the heart of everything we do. It enables us to manufacture the best products for the world's finest professional makeup artists, giving them the tools to create groundbreaking looks for theatre, cinema and TV, special effects, body art, consumers. Because there is only one professional makeup maker. There is only one Kryolan.